Today we're going to be installing front mesh grille inserts on a C8 Corvette. We're in front of the C8 again, and what we've got is some front mesh grille insert covers that protect you. There's a bottom and a lower piece, and what these do is these protect your radiators from getting all those bugs up in there, okay? So for the sake of time, what we did is we've already removed the sticky tape, the tabs, and what we're gonna do here is we're just gonna go ahead and we're gonna wipe the edges down with an alcohol pad, okay, just like that. Okay, we're just gonna wipe that down right all the way around this ring here, okay? You're gonna go, there's one of the mounting points here, and then around this rim. All the way around here. Okay. Then we're going to do the same thing up here. And along the side. And up above. Just like that. Okay. And then we're going to go ahead and we're going to take that. You can see we have our sticky tabs here all the way along. And we're going to go ahead and we are going to insert these little guys. You'll feel exactly where they need to go. Just like that. And that looks like it's loose, but there's actually not a tab there. It's actually here and here, and down at the bottom, and on the sides over here. This side is completely open, but it's not going anywhere, okay? And then we have our next piece here. Same thing, we've got our sticky tape here, and we're gonna go ahead and we're going to insert those right here into the slot also. Just like that. Okay, just like that. And there you go. We're just going to go ahead and we're going to repeat this on the other side. I'm not going to show you the other side because it's exactly the same. You can see we'll show you the grills here. They look exactly the same. I've got sticky tape on there, but you can see they are exactly the same. So that's all there is to it, guys. So if you guys are looking to get a set for yourself, then reach out to Extreme Online Store and they will be able to help you. So guys, I just want to thank you guys all for watching again today. If you guys have not already subscribed to the channel, please hit that subscribe button and get us up to 20,000 subscribers. We are just now hitting 15,000 subscribers right now, but we have over 100,000 viewers. So if you guys wouldn't mind doing that, I would really appreciate it. It just helps us with all of our numbers. The algorithm, you're able to find us better, everything about it, it just works. So if you guys haven't subscribed, please do. Those of you that have subscribed and been watching me for a while, I want to thank you guys all for watching. It's awesome. And as you guys know, those of you that have questions, you guys have been able to call me and able to reach out. I try to answer all your calls, your phone calls, all your emails. So please continue to do that. I appreciate it. One of the other things that I want to make available to you guys is that we have been working with Extreme Online to be able to, as well as other vendors, and we've been able to get you guys some pretty good discounts. And I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to put here on the screen right now a link to, it's a special link that Extreme Online created for us. That will, if you use that link in conjunction with our code, which is Corvette channel, and I'll put all that on the screen here, and I'm going to put it in the description to make it easier for you to get to. If you use that in conjunction, you'll be able to get a 10% discount. So if you try to use the code Corvette channel without using the link, then it's not going to work, and so you won't get your credit or your discount. So you want to go ahead and use the link that I'm putting here. It's going to look exactly like the regular website, except they know that it's being driven by me to you to be able to get you guys that 10% discount. So be sure and use that, okay? So, and the other thing about that is I don't know exactly how long it's gonna last, but they didn't just do it just for today's part. They do it for everything on their website. So if for whatever reason is that you've got a C5 or you've got a Cadillac CTS or whatever it may be, that coupon code works for all the stuff on their website. So be sure and check them out and go ahead and use that link and that code to be able to get your discount. So guys, just want to say thank you one more time for watching today. You guys have a great day.